In this video, let's talk about how to fix Spotify song skipping problem. So if the songs are skipping automatically within Spotify, this could be happening due to battery issues or due to the glitch issue within the application. So in this situation, the first thing that you need to ensure is that you disable the battery saver mode within your device, and also try switching to a different network. If you're currently using Wi-Fi, try to switch to your cellular data and vice versa. But however, if this is not the case for you, the other thing that you can try out is try to clear off the app cache. Simply tap and hold the app off Spotify, head over to the eye icon, head over to storage, and right here you should be able to see the option called clear cache and clear all data. If you tap on clear all data, you'll also get logged out of your account, so make sure that you log in back and try to see if the issue is solved. If the issue still persists, the last thing that you can do is just reinstall the application of Spotify onto your device. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.